Hi, welcome to a new video of Cambridge IELTS listening. Today we are going to solve from question number 11 to 16 from the Cambridge IELTS book 6, listening test number 1, section 2. Our today's questions are about the changes which are made in the Rivendell City Theatre. So questions 11 to 16. What changes has been made to each part of the theatre? Choose 6 answers from the box and write the correct letter A to G next to questions 11 to 16. Questions: part of theatre. Question number 11, box office. Question number 12, shop. Question number 13, ordinary seats. Question number 14, seats for wheelchair users. Question number 15, lifts. Question number 16, dressing rooms. And the changes which are made in the theatre: option A, double in number. Option B, given separate entrance. Option C, reduce in number. Option D, increase in size. Option E, replaced. Option F, strengthened. And option G, temporarily closed. We have to listen the audio and try to match the question with the exact options. So whenever these type of questions come in the real IELTS listening test, and you need to read the options, not the questions, while the time is given to read the questions, because all the questions will be played in sequence while the audio is playing, so there is no need to read the questions. You must focus on the options. Try to read again and again the options when the time is given to read the questions. Listen the audio very carefully and try to cover the main points of the audio. In this way, you will find the answers of each question in a very easy manner. Try to understand the main points, the main idea, and then find that main point or main idea in the option, and your test will be accurate. Try to find the answers from question number 11 to 16. But before going to the test, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
And here on Radio Rivendell, we have Lynn Rawley, the Public Relations Officer of our own Rivendell City Theatre. Hello, Lynn.
Hello.
Now, the theatre is reopening soon after its 3-year redevelopment program, isn't it?
That's right. And there are a lot of improvements. The first thing people will see when they go in is that the foyer has been repainted in the original green and gold. Then the box office...
Now the woman has said the word box office. We have heard the word box office, and after listening the box office, we should be attentive to find our answer.
It's been reoriented with its own access from the side of the building.
The woman says the box office is being reoriented with its own access from the side of the building. It means that the box office has given a separate entrance to enter, and that separate entrance is at the side of the building. So let's try to locate our answer. A, double in number. B, given separate entrance. So we can write the letter B in front of the question 11. Let's move further.
Instead of through the foyer, which means it can be open longer hours and has more space too. The shop that used to be in the foyer, which...
Now the woman is telling about the shop.
Books and CDs, is the one part of the redevelopment which isn't yet complete.
The woman says the shop that used to be in the foyer, which sold books and CDs, is the one part of redevelopment which isn't yet completed. She is saying that the shop isn't yet completed. It's incomplete.
The plan is to find new premises for it near the theatre.
She says the plan is to find new premises for it near the theatre.
And we've had difficulty finding somewhere suitable.
And we have difficulty finding somewhere suitable.
We hope to reopen the shop in the next few months.
We hope to reopen the shop in next few months. It means that there was a shop and it is not yet completed. They are not finding any suitable place for this shop, but they are going to open or reopen in next few months. It means that they have shop, but it is closed right now. So let's try to find the answer. A, double in number. C, reduce in number. D, increase in size. E, replace. F, method. G, temporary close. So we have found the answer option G, and it's temporary closed. So let's write the letter G in front of question number 12.
Will audiences find any difference in the auditorium?
Yes.
The man asked a question, will audience will find any difference in the auditorium?
Yes. We've increased the legroom between the rows.
The woman says we have increased the legroom between the rows.
This means that there are now fewer seats, but
This means that there are now fewer seats. And she is telling about the seats, that the number of the ordinary seats is reduced. So let's try to locate our answer. A, double in number. C, reduce in number. D, increase in size. E, replace. F, strengthened. So C, reduce in number. The ordinary seats are reduced in number. So we can write the letter C in front of question number 13.
sure audiences will be much happier. And we've installed air conditioning so it won't get so hot and stuffy. We already had a few seats which were suitable for wheelchair users, and now there are twice as many.
The woman says we have already a few seats which are suitable for wheelchair users, and now there are twice as many. So the main word is twice. She wants to say that we have seats for the wheelchair users, but now the number of seats is doubled. So let's try to locate our answer. C is for wheelchair users. Option A, double in number. So we can write the letter A in front of question number 14.
Which we hope will meet demand. Something else that will benefit audiences is the new lifts.
The woman says something else that will benefit audiences is the new lifts.
The two we used to have were very small and slow.
The tools we used to have were very small and slow. The word tools is used for the lifts. She wants to say that the lifts we used to have were very small and slow.
They've now gone and
They have now gone. It means the old, small and slow lifts are removed, are replaced. So let's try to locate our answer. D, increase in size. E, replace. We have found the answer for the question number 15, and we can write the letter E in front of question number 15.
we've got much more efficient ones.
Anything for the performers?
Yes, we've made a number of improvements backstage.
The woman says we have made a number of improvements backstage. So you know which room may be at the backstage. That may be the dressing room.
The small dark dressing rooms we used to have been converted into 2 large airy rooms.
He says the small dark dressing rooms were used to have been converted into 2 large air rooms. She wants to say that the 2 small dark rooms were now converted into large airy rooms. It means that the dressing rooms are now spacious, they are widened. So let's try to locate our answer. Increase in size and strengthened, so we can write the letter D, and answer is increase in size in front of question number 16.